true that print is not dead?
People don't want it to be dead, so this is all attempts and different ways to try to see how it cannot be dead, but a model that is very sustainable for lots of magazines has still need to be invented. There are just a few cases which are extremely successful, which is Monocle, for example, which is really big, or Kinfolk, which is an American magazine, which went from a few hundred print publications to 70,000 and is doing well. But the other ones are struggling, and I mean they're alive, but they're struggling, and they need to find a way to do it.
Well, I think once we talk about such a statement, we really have to differentiate. And you have daily newspapers that I think are definitely struggling, because of the internet. And if we talk about print dying or not dying, I think we always have to just look at the publication we're talking. And I really hope that we're not gonna die.
Flaner, the Outpost, these stories represent the right path to follow.
Everyone is trying to experiment with different models, trying to see what works for them, which is why I think answers are not very clear at this point, because we're in the middle of the mess trying to figure things out. But I think that you need to stand for something. You can't just, as Cesare said, you can't just create a magazine and publish some nice photos and some text. You have to have a point of view. You have to know who your audience is and why you're talking to them. You also have to understand why you're in print.